Today is not an ordinary day. Today is the day you have been thinking about for months. The day you stayed up late for. The day you fought with yourself over and over again. There were nights when you felt tired, when you wanted to quit, when you thought about closing the book and giving up. But you didn't. You opened that book again. You tried one more time, and that matters. Maybe right now you feel like you are not fully prepared. Maybe your mind is telling you that something is still missing, that you should have studied more, revised more, done better. But the truth is, no one ever feels 100% ready. The difference is not who feels no fear. The difference is who moves forward despite the fear. Do you remember the first day you looked at your syllabus? It felt huge, confusing, almost impossible. You wondered how you would ever finish it. But then you started one chapter at a time, one page at a time. Sometimes you didn't understand it the first time, so you read it again. When it was still unclear, you searched for help, watched videos, asked someone, made notes. It wasn't easy. You sacrificed your sleep. You stayed away from distractions. You put your phone aside. There were moments when you felt exhausted, when you wanted to lie down and forget everything, but you didn't quit. That is your real strength. Now that the exam is in front of you, your heart may be beating faster. Your hands might feel cold. Your mind might be whispering, "What if I forget everything?" But listen carefully. When the brain is under pressure, it becomes noisy. That doesn't mean it is empty. Everything you studied is still there. Nothing has disappeared. You just need to trust yourself. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself sitting in the exam hall. The question paper is in front of you. At first, a couple of questions look difficult. Your heart skips a beat. For a second, panic tries to take control. But then you take a deep breath. You tell yourself, calm down, slowly. You move to a question you recognize. Your pen starts moving. One answer is completed. Then another. Then another. Gradually, your confidence returns. That is exactly how it will happen if you stay in control. Life is not just testing you on this paper. It is testing how you handle pressure. What you are doing today is not only about marks. It is building a habit inside you, the habit of not running away from difficult things. One day, when life throws bigger challenges at you, you will remember this moment. You will remember that you once faced fear and still moved forward. Remember this, success does not belong only to the most intelligent people. Success belongs to those who are consistent, those who move forward little by little every single day. You may not be the top student in your class, but if you have worked honestly and sincerely, you are not less than anyone. In this world, talent is valuable, but determination is priceless, and you have shown determination. If the result comes the way you want, be grateful. If it is less than your expectations, do not insult yourself. Do not call yourself a failure. Marks do not define your entire personality. One exam does not decide your whole life. What truly matters is whether you gave your full effort, and you did. Imagine the day the results are announced. Imagine telling yourself, "I gave it my best." There is no greater peace than that feeling. Failure only happens when a person stops trying. You did not stop trying. That means you are already closer to success than you think. Now is the time to silence the fear. Tell yourself, "I am prepared. I will not panic. I will read every question carefully. I will answer with focus." If you don't know a question, don't get stuck there. Move forward. You can always come back later. Life teaches the same lesson. Don't let one obstacle steal all your time and energy. Your parents have hopes. Your teachers have expectations. But more important than all of that is your own hard work. The effort you put in will never go to waste. God does not let sincere effort be wasted. The result may take time. It may not come exactly how you imagined. But effort always brings growth, strength, and reward in some form. When you walk into that exam hall, walk in with your head held high. Not with doubt, with confidence. You are not less than anyone. You have done your part. Now it is time to perform. It is time to prove to yourself that you can stay strong under pressure. This moment will pass. This day will pass. But the courage you show today will stay inside you forever. The next time life challenges you, you will smile and say, "I have faced something like this before. I can handle it." So strengthen your heart. Take a deep breath. Trust in God. Hold your pen firmly and start writing with full belief in yourself. You are not weak. You are not alone. You are not a failure. You are a hardworking human being, and hard work never goes unrewarded. Today is your day. Go and give it your absolute best.